All right, here we go. So you've got the Fibonacci sequence running, and we need a little bit of help just to make sure that we've got the golden mean. So I'm going to give you a few tips here. So the golden mean, and okay, so let's back up a little bit. Okay, here. This is the final one, right? Hold on. No. Okay. So let's go check out like the golden mean intro, right? Oh, I'm gonna go in on the master side, and okay. So we've got the Fibonacci numbers, right? One, one, and then you add those together. So two, and then three, and then five, eight, right? Okay, we got that. Good. Okay, and then we figured this one out, right? So you're one divided by one, and then on the second iteration, and then the third iteration, what is it going to be, right? And so you went through the videos and you got those running, okay? So we're going to assume that. Now let's go back over to here. Okay, and we're in here now. Okay. So we want to initialize our gold, so we tell it gold 1, right? So it should be GLD 1 equals 1, right? That's the first element there. So then we've got that running, and then the vector should basically be, it's going to be the current one, the current element divided by the previous element. And so so we've done all of that, and we're ready to code. And so you followed me on getting this up and running, right? And you got your Fibonacci sequence. And what we're going to do is we're going to get our golden mean sequence. So we know right away that we want, like, you know, so let's open up our golden mean. Now I'm going to just set it up so I have one less golden mean number. It's kind of up to you on how you want to do this. Oh, you see how I'm copying and pasting? I'm so lazy. Okay. And the first golden mean number is 1 divided by 1, which is 1. Okay. So you ready? Here we go. So we've set up a blank golden mean vector. What that's going to do is that's going to collect our answers. Okay. And then we said what the first one is. Okay. And so what we're going to do now is we're just going to assign these as we go. So the first element, okay, oh, we're going to have the third element. Awkward. Because see, okay, n equals 2. We've got a few ways to handle this. Okay. This is going to be like the golden mean number is going to come next. And I have this Fibonacci number and I have the previous two, so we're good. But see, n equals 2. So here, here's what we're going to do. Can I put a 0 there? Is that cool? Or is that weird? And then put the second element as a 1. Okay. Now we've initialized with the same number as these. So now as we fill this cartridge, we don't have to do anything crazy. I was going to move back one, but let's not do that yet. So golden mean at the nth element is what? Well, think about what you were telling me, right? How do we do this? Here, let's go into math type. I got Mathematica. Do you have Mathematica? Okay. Not now. Okay, so here. We've got 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. Okay, we got this. That's our Fibonacci vector, right? And we've built that. We built that thing, okay? Now, we're going to build this golden mean thing. It's actually 1 divided by 1, which is 1, and then 2 divided by 1, which is 2, and then 1.5, right? But the problem is I don't have the same number of elements, so we're going to drop a 0 there just to be, so we have a 1-to-1 correspondence, right? And what did we do? Well, we took whatever the Fibonacci number is and divided by the previous one, and they gave me the new golden mean number, right? So the next one's going to be 2 divided by 1, which is 2, and then 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. So we're going to take the current Fibonacci number and divide it by what? Okay, so you got this. And then once you get this, you can plot it, okay, if you followed me. So what goes here? Finish programming, my guys. Okay, good luck.